Hello YouTube, it's me Patrick.
And Amber Karis-Bassick.
So we are right now here in the studio and you see we do this kind of amazing shots right now. And yeah, I want to explain you shortly the light setup what we have. So we have here white fabric in the back. Behind this white fabric we have normal flash who bring us this bright background. Above we have also a white fabric and also flash who bring us some soft lights from above. We shoot this kind of images with a f-stop 2.8, ISO 100 and a shutter speed of 160. So we please now Amber to go in our Miro setup and then we show you guys some shots and enjoy it. So perfect. We do this exactly the same as before. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Really cool. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Can you stay in the middle? Oh, that's also great. Well, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, thank you. So, I hope you like what we did. Follow here, Amber Karis-Bassick on Instagram. Follow us. Wish you a nice day. We see us on the next video. Bye bye.